Hey guys, so learning how to use this camera. I'm going to try to attempt to take a video. I just installed the Ford Performance X-Pipe. Be aware, if you do have a PP2 and you have a 2020, this X-Pipe did not fit without making some additional cuts to the actual X-Pipe itself. And the advertised 4 inches you had to cut off the tailpipe was not enough. We actually cut 5 inches and then still had to cut the X-pipe to get it to fit. So let's get a sound of this X-pipe now. And be aware, I do have the Roush Colder intake installed, so that's going to make some change to the sound if you simply just install this with your stock air intake. So let's see how it sounds.